everybody, happy holidays. My name is Kat Nagar and I am the director of the Atlanta Historic Dance Company. And I'm delighted to be here today to teach you a dance from the 1860s. So before we get to the dance, I would like to talk a little bit about ball gowns of the time period. So if you are a lower or middle class lady, you probably wear your best dress to a dance. So that would be your Sunday dress. And if you had the funds, you might have a ball gown bodice you would switch out with your daytime bodice. And if you really had the funds, you could have an entire dress dedicated just to dancing. A lot of these materials were lighter, fluffier, light muslins. Some of them had metallic threads flowing through them, and that was to kind of catch the candlelight and bounce it around the ballroom. Now, one other thing that you had to have when you went to a ball was you had to have your white gloves. During the Victorian time period, they didn't think it was appropriate for ladies and gentlemen to touch. And another reason for the white gloves was when the gentleman was holding the lady, it was a faux pas to leave a sweaty palm print on the back of her ball gown. As you know, there were no washing machines at this time. Everything was done by hand. And so you really had to work hard to keep the clothing clean. Sometimes gentlemen would actually ride a horse, and you might have the oils from the harness. And so this also prevented anything getting on the back of the dress. Okay, so today we're going to learn the Cumberland Reel, and it starts with honors. So ladies, you're going to step forward with your right foot. I'm going to lift my skirt up a little bit, So ladies, you step forward with the right foot, left foot behind, do a little curtsy, and back to place. Gentlemen, you're going to take a step forward, hands are at the side, and bend at the waist. All right, so we're going to just imagine that we have a set of 4 couples. So I would be couple number 1. This is my gentleman here. We have a couple here, and a couple there, and a couple there. So with the top 2 couples, we're going to do a right hand star around. So everybody's going to stick their right hand in and go around for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't worry about getting all the way around. It doesn't matter. You just need to go for 8 counts and then go back. So left hand in, everybody goes back home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Head couple only are going to take 2 hands and chasse down the set. Now chasse is a little side step. So if you step to the side and close, this is a chasse and back up. So as I said, head couple only are going to chasse down and back up. And then they're going to cast out. So to cast out means the head couple is going to cast around the set and meet at the bottom. So I'm going to go this way. All the ladies are going to follow me. The gentleman is going to go this way. All the gentlemen are going to follow him. So we cast out, meet at the bottom, take 2 hands. We're going to chasse to the top. And then we're going to turn and honor the rest of the set. So everybody else is going to come up to where they were originally, and they're going to make a little bridge. So we have a bridge here, a bridge here, and a bridge here. Head couple honors, and then we go under the bridge. And so we're now progressed. Everybody would take a step up, and the couple 2 would now be the head couple. So we're going to go ahead and try this with the music, and I'm just going to hop back up and so that we can do it again. This new virtual dancing that we're doing right now during COVID. So, okay, so let's get ready to honor our partners. Left hand back. Head couple, chasse down. Back up. Cast out. We go under the bridge. Okay, let's do that again. Ready with right hand brown. 5, 6, ready, go. Chassé. And then we're progressed. Honor your partner. Left hand back. Head couple, chassé down. Back up. Cast out. We go under the bridge. Okay, let's do that again. Ready with right hand brown. 5, 6, ready, go. Chassé. And then we're progressed. Honor your partner. And that was the Cumberland Reel. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you at the next Family Day. Bye, everybody.